June 4th, 8:12 a.m., a little bit windy coming out of the west, maybe 10, 12 mile an hour. This is a F-15 from FMS. Wrecked it last Friday, redid it in all kinds of paint and colors. Gonna try it again. Come on up. Whoa, man. Just made it, didn't it? Hey, that yellow's easy to see on that leading edge, ain't it? You know what? I might be a little nose heavy now. Uh-oh, I can't. Where's it at?
Come on, bring it over this way. Come on.
Oh, there it is. All right.
Come on.
Now I got to give
Level
it
the
some.
wings. There you go.
Now
Level
what
the
am I
wings.
doing? Am I?
Okay. Now you're going to your right.
Yeah, I see that.
Your left.
Yeah. I better slow it down,
Yeah,
huh?
slow down some. You're in boat. Come on down.
Yeah. Whoa. Now I got it slowed down a little bit.
There you go.
Wow, I'm going so much to the left. I mean the right. Whoa! Doggone it. Oh. Well, all that work, all that paint.